This is Learn Igbo at Igbotic Nono. On this channel, I teach you fast ways to learn Igbo language, how to make good sentences in Igbo language as a beginner. My Igbo lessons are for beginners and they are very easy and quick and fast to learn. Start speaking Igbo today. Of course, when you watch all my playlists on this channel. And also, in addition, I have a playlist designated for Igbo men. In case if you want to know typical Igbo man, you never can tell. Okay, so your expectations today on this video is that you'll be learning how to count numbers from 1 to 20 in Igbo language. We will also be learning phrases, single phrases in Igbo language, okay? And you also be learning at the end of today's lesson how to use these phrases to make sentences in Igbo language. You also be learning parts of the body, akokwaho, in Igbo language. Okay, make sure you stay tuned because you have lots and lots to learn. Remember, I told you on this channel we only do quick and easy way to learn Igbo language as a beginner. Let's begin. Can you do? Now we'll be beginning with 1 to 20 in Igbo language. This is very easy to learn. Just listen. 1 otu otu 2 abụọ 3 atọ 4 anọ 5 ise 6 isii 7 asaa 8 asatọ 9 itoolu 10 iri. Now you have learned 1 to 10 in Igbo language. Remember I told you we are learning 1 to 20 in Igbo language. And we're also going to see how easy it is to count 1 to 20 in Igbo language. Now we're going to repeat everything we said from 1 to 10. The counting is all about repetition. That is why I said you will listen and focus. 11 iri na otu. Remember 1 is otu and 10 is iri. Now 11 is iri na otu. You're beginning to add 10 and 1 together. Listen and see. 11 iri na otu. 12 iri na abụọ. Iri na abụọ. 13 iri na atọ. Iri na atọ. 14 iri na anọ. Iri na anọ. 15 iri na ise. Iri na ise. 16 iri na isii. Iri na isii. 17 iri na asaa. Iri na asaa. Iri na asaa. 18 iri na asatọ. Iri na asatọ. Iri na asatọ. 19 iri na itoolu. Iri na itoolu. Iri na itoolu. 20 iri abụọ. Iri abụọ. Remember 10 is iri. Now 20 iri na abụọ. Remember 2 is abụọ. So 10 iri na abụọ. That is 20. Do you see why I said it's very easy to learn 1 to 3 in Igbo language, which is called ọnụọgụgụ in Igbo language. That is what we just did now. Ọnụọgụgụ in Igbo language. So now, everything I said now from 1 to 10, repeat it and put down in the comment section how many you were able to get. Let's go. So now we are done with 1, 2, 3 to 20 in Igbo language. The next thing we're going to learn now is single phrases in Igbo language. After these single phrases in Igbo language, of course, we use it to make sentences in Igbo language. Use them to make sentences in Igbo language. Then we'll do the last one, which is part of the body in Igbo language. Did you see why I told that today's lesson is going to be very interesting? And you've not subscribed yet, please try to subscribe. Click on the subscription button, it's free. It motivates me. Click on the subscription button, like this video, share to your friends and family, and I will love it. So let's just go on. Let's move on. There's no time. Now, single phrases in Igbo language, which I'm going to start mentioning now. We're going to start with anuman. Anuman. Animals in Igbo is called anuman. Animals in Igbo is called anuman. We're going to be doing things around animals, okay? And we're going to later use them to make sentences in Igbo language. So animal in Igbo is called anuman. Animals, anuman. Animals, anuman. Dog, nkịta. Dog, nkịta. Dog, nkịta. Cat, nwamba. Cat, nwamba. Cat, nwamba. Tiger, agụ. Tiger, agụ. Tiger, agụ. Monkey, enwe. Monkey, enwe. Monkey, enwe. Lion, ọdụm. Lion, ọdụm. Lion, ọdụm. Crocodile, agụ iyi. Crocodile, agụ iyi. Crocodile, agụ iyi. Rat, oke. Rat, oke. Rat, oke. Cow, efi. Cow, efi. Cow, efi. Goat, ewu. Goat, ewu. Horse, ịnyịnya. Horse, ịnyịnya. Horse, ịnyịnya. Mosquito, anwụnta. Mosquito, anwụnta. Mosquito, anwụnta. Pig, ezi. Pig, ezi. Pig, ezi. Insect, ahụhụ. Insect, ahụhụ. Insect, ahụhụ. Some people call it arụrụ. It's still the same thing, okay? Frog, mbara. Frog, mbara. Frog, mbara. Sheep, atụrụ. Sheep, atụrụ. Sheep, atụrụ. Spider, ududo. Spider, ududo. Spider, ududo. Spider, ududo. Chicken, ọkụkọ. Chicken, ọkụkọ. Chicken, ọkụkọ. Elephant, enyi. Elephant, enyi. Elephant, enyi. Bird, nnụnụ. Bird, nnụnụ. Bird, nnụnụ. Now we've learned single phrases in Igbo language in animals. We're going to use these single phrases in Igbo language in animals and make sentences that are often used in Igbo language. Hope you have subscribed yet. Let's move on. Because the dog is running. The dog is running. Nkịta na-agba ọsọ. Nkịta na-agba ọsọ. Cat. I love cats. I love cats. Ahụrụ m nwamba n'anya. Ahụrụ m nwamba n'anya. I love cats. Okay? Tiger skin is very beautiful. Tiger skin is very beautiful. Ahụ tiger mara mma. Ahụ tiger mara mma. Monkeys are funny. Monkeys are funny. Enwe na-akpa ọchị. Enwe na-akpa ọchị. Monkeys are funny. Lions are wild animals. Lions are wild animals. Ọdụm bụ anụ ọfịa. Ọdụm bụ anụ ọfịa. Or you can say ọdụm bụ anụ ọhịa. Lions are wild animals. Crocodiles are dangerous. Crocodiles are dangerous. Agụ iyi dị njọ. Agụ iyi dị njọ. Crocodiles are dangerous. See this rat. Lekwa oke a. Lekwa oke a. Or lekwa oke a. Anyone. He is eating cow meat. Ọ na-ata efi. He is eating cow meat. Ọ na-ata anụ efi. Ọ na-ata anụ efi. Do you have goat meat? Do you have goat meat? Ị nwere anụ ewu? Ị nwere anụ ewu? Do you have goat meat? Ị nwere anụ ewu? Horses run so fast. Horses run so fast. Ịnyịnya na-agba oke ọsọ. Ịnyịnya na-agba oke ọsọ. Ịnyịnya na-agba oke ọsọ. Horses run so fast. Mosquito bite. Mosquito bite. Mosquitoes bite the human body. Anwụnta na-ata ahụ mmadụ. Anwụnta na-ata ahụ mmadụ. Pig. This girl is a pig. You know, in Igbo language, when somebody says Igbo ezi, it means you're very dirty. So this girl is a pig. This girl, nwata nwanyị bụ ezi. Nwata nwanyị bụ ezi. This girl is a pig. Nwata nwanyị bụ ezi. Ezi. Frog makes a lot of noise. Frog makes a lot of noise. Mbara na-eme oke mkpọtụ. Mbara na-eme oke mkpọtụ. Frog makes a lot of noise. Mbara na-eme oke mkpọtụ. You know, when you're in the water, you always hear they make lots of noise. Mbara na-eme oke mkpọtụ. Insects is everywhere in this house. Insects is everywhere in this house. Ahụhụ juru ebe niile n'ụlọ. Arụrụ juru ebe niile n'ụlọ. Arụrụ juru ebe niile n'ụlọ. Insects are everywhere in the house. He is behaving like a sheep. He is behaving like a sheep. Nwata nwoke a na-eme ka atụrụ. Nwata nwoke a na-eme ka atụrụ. He is behaving like a sheep. In Igbo language, when somebody says ị na-eme ka atụrụ, it means you're behaving like someone who does not have sense. You're behaving like somebody whose sense is not in order. Okay? This guy is behaving like a sheep. Nwata nwoke a na-eme ka atụrụ. Spider, ududo. Spider is everywhere in the house. You know this spider? Sometimes they're in the house. You can say, ududo juru ebe niile n'ụlọ. Ududo dị n'ụlọ. Or ududo juru ebe niile n'ụlọ. Like spider is everywhere in the house. Ududo juru ebe niile n'ụlọ. I love chicken. I love chicken meat. I love chicken. Ahụrụ m ọkụkọ n'anya. Ahụrụ m ọkụkọ n'anya. Ahụrụ m anụ ọkụkọ n'anya. I love chicken meat. Ahụrụ m anụ ọkụkọ n'anya. Elephant. Elephant is a big animal. Elephant is a big animal. Enyi bụ oke anụmanụ. Enyi bụ oke anụmanụ. Enyi bụ oke anụmanụ. The bird is flying. The bird is flying. The bird is flying. Nnụnụ na-efe. Nnụnụ na-efe. One is flying now even. Nnụnụ na-efe. The bird is flying. This one here, which is a general name for everything I said now, is animals. Animals in Igbo is called Anuman. Anuman is a general name for animals. Anuman. Thank you, okay? So now you have learned how to count 1 to 20 in Igbo language. You've also learned single phrases in Igbo language. You've also now learned sentences in Igbo language with the single phrases I just mentioned. So now we'll move to the last one, which is parts of the body in Igbo language. Akụkụ ahụ anyị n'Igbo. Parts of the body in Igbo language. Akụkụ ahụ anyị n'Igbo. Let's move on. Hope you're enjoying these classes. Hope you're enjoying this class. If you have not subscribed, put that in the comment section, okay? And learn as I'm going on, and put that in the comment section how many you are able to get. I'll be so glad to reply to your comments, okay? This part of in Igbo language, this is part of the body in Igbo language, very crucial because you need it every day for communication in Igbo language. If you want to start speaking Igbo language, if you want to understand Igbo language as a beginner, if you want to learn Igbo language as a beginner, then you need these parts of the body. Akụkụ ahụ anyị na ọnụ Igbo. Parts of the body in Igbo language. And number one is parts of the body in Igbo language. Number one, ọnụ. Ọnụ is your mouth. Ọnụ is your mouth. Imi is your nose. Imi is your nose. Anya is your eyes. Anya is your eyes. Ntị is your ear. Ntị is your ear. Eze is your teeth. Eze is your teeth. Ile is your tongue. Ile is your tongue. Ihu is your face. Everything here. Ihu is your face. Isi is your head. Isi is your head. Then the hair. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. And this is your hand. This is your hand. These are your fingers. Mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. Your hand. Aka. 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 Your fingers. Mkpịsị aka. Your shoulder. Ubu. Some people call it ngu. Call it ngu. You can call your shoulder ngu or you can call it ubu. Anyone. Your leg is okpa. Your leg. Okpa. Leg. Okpa. Nails. Mbo. Nails. Mbo. Your neck is onu. Neck. Onu. Neck. Onu. Your lashes. Nkwanya. Your lashes. Nkwanya. Your lashes. Nkwanya. Your back. Azu. Your back. Azu. Do you understand? Your heart. Obi. In Igbo language, a name is called Obina, and you can cut it short as Obi. Also, chest is called Obi in Igbo language. Hope this was very fast. And how many did you get in the comment section? Put in the comment section how many you were able to get as I was going on, okay? Just put in the comment section. These are parts of the body in Igbo language. Akoko ahai na onu Igbo. So that is it, guys. Hope you have learned at the end of this lesson. You were able to learn how to count numbers in Igbo language from 1 to 20. We were also able to learn the single phrases I just mentioned in Igbo language. We were also able to learn the sentences. You can also try to make your own sentences in the comment section as well. And you also learned parts of the body akoko ahu in Igbo language, because these are the things I promised you I was going to bring up on this lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, now if you're yet to subscribe to this channel and you've watched up to this point, girl, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Put it in the comment section, subscribe, like this video, share, and I will see you in my next video. You have a wonderful day. Bye.